Today we are going to be explaining the unbraider. What is unbraiding? Unbraiding is to unwind the outer sleeving, which is called the braid, and it's wires that are intermixed, woven together to create a shield. This is the unbraiding system. We're going to go through how to turn it on, how to set it up, and how to operate it. First thing to do is to note that there's a power switch on the back here. Turn that on, the light switch should illuminate. Not using the system, turn it off. When you're ready to operate, turn it on. The system has two modes of operation. The first one is start, which means it will run continuously and not stop. So once you've set the speed, it turns on automatically. If you push it back down to automatic, it's now operated by the foot pedal. So if you're not running it all the time in between cables, you can operate this by the foot pedal, straighten the wire, and then stop. There's a speed setting. This changes how fast the belt operates, and a gap. This knob here is for adjusting the gap. Now the gap is the distance between the rollers. I'm going to move this outward so that you can see how it increases. This is adjusted to the diameter of the cable, and you may need to do a little bit of experimenting to see exactly what the best gap is. You do not want a super tight gap or all of the brushes very close together. The reason is that what that will cause is the brushes to fold over on the cable. You want the very tips of it to comb out the braid. That's what we're attempting to do. Just like when you have a kid with tangled hair, you're trying to comb that out. And so we want just the very tip of the brushes to grab that and straighten it out. There are no safety gates or anything on this unit. Never ever put your fingers anywhere in the front, back, or sides underneath the shielding. Stay behind the glass shield at all times. At this point, you're going to slowly insert it into the brushes and then give it about a 90-degree turn back and forth. And this is the type of progress you should see on this. It has begun to unwind the braid and straighten it out. It's also, you'll note that the braid is getting longer than the cable. You're going to complete that by continuing back and forth. For this particular type, we're going to need to unbraid just a little bit at the end. Keep it going straight. But this little bit of intervention considered, instead of sitting there all day at the table doing it, is a whole lot better. As you can see now, we're unwound all the way down to the base of the cable. We've got a little bit that we have to pull out here. And our cable is done, ready to go.